Hitting the $70 million mark and expanding, Stakk Ventures launches a multi brand conglomerate. Let's get into it. And welcome to Innovate Marketing Daily. Today is September 8th, 2023. My name is Shawn P. Neal, and we are brought to you by MyPodcast.Media. Now, MyPodcast.Media produces amazing podcasts for brands just like yours. So, if you're considering launching a podcast or you'd like to explore how podcasting can enhance your marketing and communication strategy, make sure you visit MyPodcast.Media. All right, we got a great story for you today. So, without further ado, and happy Friday, my friends. Thanks so much for joining me on this 8th day of September 2023. This is a pretty big story. So I want to just try and break this down as easily as I can. It comes to us from Toronto, Canada, by the way. And we're going to just start out very simply and then we'll bust into the nuts and bolts of this. But capitalizing on $70 million in cumulated revenue generated by 6 distinct brands, Stakk Ventures, a newly formed global enterprise headquartered in Toronto, is leveraging its collective accomplishments to inaugurate a multi brand conglomerate which will serve as a powerful asset for the group. Now, the collective strength of these brands has created a robust network of partners and clients, including numerous Euronext listed companies. And we're going to talk about these 6 specific brands that make up the conglomerate. So I'll give you the brand and then a little bit of understanding of what each one of them does. So the first up is BME Consulting. Now, BME Consulting is a spend and procurement management advisory firm in Lyon, France, boasting $17 million in annual revenue and growing 80% year over year. The Blocks, that's BLOX, The Blocks, a startup accelerator with 20 plus startups alumni and $30 million plus raised in pre seed funding, backed by investors like Techstar, Ubisoft, GSR, DFG, and J Square. Next up is Sourcing Force, a sourcing platform managing nearly $400 million in spend and recognized as one of the fastest growing startups by the Financial Times. Next up is P&L Partners, a specialized accounting firm serving startups from seed to Series A+. The next is Convergence, an annual event held in Toronto that fosters creative entrepreneurship. And lastly is Whisperin, a creative interface design and marketing firm with over 50 successful projects built and launched. So those are the 6 that make up this conglomerate. And then Stakk Ventures actually empowers companies through a multitude of ways. We'll name some of them here. First of all, through corporate innovation, so that operates as an accelerator program aimed at fast tracking business growth and fostering innovation within corporate settings. Also, as a venture studio, focuses on the ideation, development, and market readiness of in-house startups, serving as an incubator for new business ventures. Then, as a subject matter advisory, that's one of the things that we look at when we're looking at startups. We need an advisory board and we need advisory panels. So, providing comprehensive guidance that ranges from startups to established corporations, and they cover crucial areas from product development to financial strategy. And then last but not least is strategic investment and acquisitions, actively engaging in the strategic investment and acquisition of businesses, expanding both its financial and operational reach. So these 6 businesses coming together under one umbrella and of course offering these amazing services that empower companies. This is really something to watch out for. So we'll make sure to link to this in the show notes so that you can check this out for yourself. With Stakk Ventures, as well as we'll link to BME Consulting, The Blocks, Sourcing Force, P&L Partners, Convergence, and Whisperin, so that you can check that out as well. And wherever you're watching or listening, you know the routine here. Make sure you drop by the comment section and say congratulations and support them in their growth as they continue to support businesses in their growth. It's a beautiful world. All right, my friends, that covers it for today. That means it's the weekend. What do you have planned? Hopefully some rest and relaxation, maybe some entertainment, some things that you enjoy doing will all be on your radar. Whatever you do though, rejuvenate. Take a minute, enjoy life, enjoy the experience. And and I'll see you back here on Monday. Until we meet again, my friends, please stay safe and be well. See ya.